Hello, dear friends! In this episode, we will further upgrade our castle to make it even more fun. We will make it more 3D-like, and we will add more depth and thickness to the structure, and most importantly, we will make it even more exciting by adding movable parts such as doors and hatches, and hidden places like staircases or storage rooms. First, let's turn gates into gatehouses with the turrets on top of it.
To make improved 3D battlements, we'll cut off the old 2D battlements and use them as a template to cut additional pieces and glue them together. In order to make a hatch, we will cut a rectangle in the floor. We will use that cut-off piece as a template, but we slightly enlarge it to make it a hatch door. We cut thin strips of cardboard to use them as wooden planks, and we glue them onto the base of the door. We will use plastic stems of the cotton buds to make the hinges. Two of the small cylinders we will glue onto the hatch, and one in between them we'll leave it loose. We will put a thin cord inside the cylinders and fix it at the ends, and the middle cylinder will glue it onto the floor. To make a fake staircase or a storage room, we will cut a piece of paper in the shape of the cross and fold it together to make some sort of a cuboid. Then we glue it below the floor hatch. This is where we got so far. See you soon, and thank you!